Well, good morning again, or afternoon, or whenever you decide to start viewing this, like I always say. The other bit that I recently acquired while out and about on the trike was this thing. And since I'm shooting this all in the same day, well, there's that stuff. This one may require a little bit more of a close-up and probably smaller screws and whatnot. This is a Honeywell commercial something. It's got some stuff. I think this is like a thermostat or something. That's my guess. I'm not really familiar with such things. Let's see if I can get this apart. Well, that part came off with just a bit of prying. And there is a battery still in there? What irresponsible person threw this on the road? Really? Okay, well, it's battery for something. It's not entirely clear what the pin out of this stuff is, like heat pump and conventional. Yeah, okay, this is a thermostat. Y2LA W1 S1 S2 blah blah blah. Okay, yeah, I'm really not familiar with such things. I'm sure those are some sort of intrinsically meaningful markings to some people. There's no screw in this. It's all seems to be like latching parts. And I think I see in there a small coin cell battery. Well, I gotta do something with two hands here, so I'll be right back. So that snapped off pretty easy. And yeah, it looks like it's just a touch thing because it's got two connectors, one for displaying bits and one another to like sense when somebody's touching it. And I think we can just force that bit out. Maybe it's held in by a clip or something. Oh, it's held in by these things. See, doing the whole one-handed camera thing sometimes really sucks because... Oh, there we are. Then we just do that from the other end, partially, or I'm an idiot. Yeah, I'm an idiot. And that comes out. Huh. Well, that is interesting. Here, let's get a closer shot of all this. So, I see a few things on here that are immediately interesting. First thing is, I think these are, yeah, these are all relays. Which, cool. Might be able to actually steal those from that and use them. Coin cell, yep, that was definitely a coin cell. Some respectable caps. Is that a mini? Let's see if I can get this in focus. Is that a mini rectifier? I see a plus and a minus. Yeah, I see a minus, plus, and then I don't know. Maybe I should be more familiar with these things. This is that a regulator? No. Probably just a normal transistor or something. Now, here's another cool thing that I'm really hoping I know enough to salvage this, because this is an AT Mega 32A, which, if I'm not mistaken, that's the same family of chips that are used in Arduinos these days. And I've actually made my own mock Arduino with similar chip. It's a different different chip package that I did it with, but yeah, I called it the Bronco Duino because well, huge Boise State fan, and yeah, I'd actually soldered all that stuff myself. And then see some chips over here. Don't remember offhand what they are. Yeah, this might actually be useful to keep around. If it is at all possible, I could use that. That would be awesome. Well, who knows? Let's see. See if there's anything on the other side of that board. Now let's get that thing out of there. Again, the whole one-handed thing here. Is that 2032? Why, yes it is. Okay, well, let's take off the connectors here. Well, there's little metal clips on that side, but not on this side. See if we can just... Yep. Okay, it's coming off pretty easy. And that came off. You can actually kind of see the sun through it. Okay. Now these are just a bunch of traces and things, and what the heck? A little bug in there. How'd that... Either way. Can this pop off? Oh, that can pop off. Interesting bit of acrylic there. There's a bunch... Now, I don't know if you can see this really well on the camera, but there's a bunch of little tiny... They look like etched holes on the back. It's in almost like a fingerprint pattern, and it's going from, and it's going more and more fine as it goes to the right, and then it, yeah, interesting. I might be able to include it as a high-res photo. I'll have to stop the recording for that because, well, I'm cheap and I only have one camera. And welcome back from the edit. And well, there's not much really more to talk about than this. See, there's the model and identifying number for the display. There's a board from that side. Oh, there's a little LED right there. I didn't notice that before. Might be useful, might not be. There's the whole bunch of relays, and chips and stuff, and that part of it, the little screw-in parts, which I could definitely salvage for something. Yeah, and I guess that's the end of it. So, still didn't get any identifying info on it. It's just Honeywell. Honeywell commercial. Well, y'all have a good day.